Okay guys, bibidyohan po natin ang ating flower man kung paano niya gawin ang kanyang talento. Ayan po ang flower with perfume. Napakamahal po guys yung perfume na yan sa kabilang shop. 100 dirham yung perfume na yan. You put the light?
Yes. How about it?
Ha?
How about this one?
The light?
Yes.
13. Nalagyan niya po ng light yung ano. You try already this one, the light is coming or no?
It's coming.
Working?
Yes.
Yan po. 5 perfume po guys yung regalo ng customer na yan. Very expensive po yung perfume na yan sa isabi lang siya. Could be this one unfinished. Kaso guys, magulo lang po siya magawa talaga sa kaso. Ayan po, may ilaw-ilaw na siya. Ayan, may ilaw-ilaw na siya guys. One more? Why too much? One more again? She asking 2 more?
It's two.
Put another side, this one. This, there. Then return,
Side.
yeah, like this one. Yeah, equal. Aywa. Ayan po guys, may ilaw na yung ginagawa ni Cash. Ayan. Tapos na po siya. Try to put light all.
Okay.
1 minute.